Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a simple ladder logic program. We are using ABB application and we are using ABB PLC. Today we will learn how to communicate between ABB application and ABB PLC. Also I am going to show you the steps how to communicate between application and ABB PLC, and also I will explain in detail about it. Let's start. Open the ABB software. Select 007K R51. Here we will see that program, LD program. OK. After it, tap here. Select this. Name it as switch 1. In this we have to assign the address. So shift percentage IX 62.00. OK. After you again click here. Select this for lamp. Rename it as lamp. Lamp is our output. Here we will give address as percentage QI QX 62.00. Enter. The programming part is over. This is our simple ladder logic. Then we will go to visualization. Right click, add object, name it as test 2018. Enter. Here I will select an circle. Select an rectangle. Double tap on rectangle. Then go to text. Name here switch. Then go to color. When it is normal, we can select colors like now I am selecting gray. Okay. When alarm color means when the switch is toggled. Inside color I want it as green, light green. Okay. And here we will assign variable PLC PRG dot SW1, and in input we will show it as a toggle variable. Okay. Here I will name it as lamp. Color, alarm color will be as let's select pink. Okay. And we will assign variable PLC PRG dot lamp. Okay. Now we will save it. Name it as test 2018. Save. I will resize it properly. Now we will go for PLC. Go into settings and go into device manager. Inputs. See the USB serial communication port. It is assigned on COM1. Then I will close it. Go to online. Communication parameters. Here select COM1. OK. After that go to project. Check. Zero error. Again go to project. Rebuild all. Go to online. Login. Our application is connected with the ABB PLC. Then OK. When I will press the button, the switch is turned on and the lamp is also turned on. When I release it, it will get false. Now I will show you the real working of PLC. Here, here our PLC is there. 07KR51. These are the push buttons. Input is 230 volt given, and also we have here MPS, which output is 24 volt. We also have relays of 24 volt, digital inputs and digital outputs. We also have analog outputs, analog inputs. We have connected our PLC using the serial pin. When I press this button, you can see when I press the switch, the lamps gets on. And here also you can see in relay it is activated. This is how we have completed our code. We have uploaded it into the PLC of ABB. These are the steps to completely upload the code into the ABB PLC. Here we have done. Thank you for watching.